Today, we will learn how to remove the background from images. There are two methods, using PowerPoint and the second one using Windows. First, in PowerPoint, open a new PowerPoint file. Click on Insert, then Pictures. Select an image from your computer. Let's say we want to extract the birds from this image. Click on the image, then Picture Format. Next, click on Remove Background. The background of the image will be highlighted. However, there are parts of the image that haven't been highlighted. We want only the birds to be extracted. Here, you can choose areas to keep or remove. The first for the parts we want to keep, and the second for the parts we want to remove. For example, to remove these parts with the tree branch, click Mark Areas to Remove like this. Then draw a line on the areas you want to remove like this. Notice the shaded areas where we drew lines. If we want to add parts to the image, like the tail, for example, click Mark Areas to Keep. Then draw lines on the parts you want to add. These parts will be added to the image. After finishing, click on Keep Changes. The background of the image will be removed. Right-click and format the background. You can change the background format and move the image as you wish. There is another way to remove the image background using Windows. Click on Start, then 3D Paint. Click on Open and choose the image from your computer. Here, for example, we'll choose the same image. Click on Magic Select. Drag the borders to reduce the size to the desired image. After finishing, click on Next. The background of the image will be highlighted. To add parts to the image, click on Add. Draw lines for each part you want to add. After finishing, click on Done. Click on Canvas, then Off Show Canvas. The image background will be deleted, then click on Menu. Then Save As, then Image. Choose the desired extension from Save As type. Choose PNG, then check Transparency for a transparent background. Then click Save. Choose the location on your computer, then save. Go back to PowerPoint. Create a new slide, then click on Insert, then Pictures. Select the image we have just created. The image will appear without a background like this. To change the image background format, right-click, then Format Background. This way, you can remove the background of any image without external programs, just by using PowerPoint or 3D Paint. If you like this video, click like, share and subscribe to get the new videos. And visit us at Fairs Solution. Thank you and have a nice day.